Hi, we're the girls from Cookless Cuisine. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're finishing off our Mediterranean diet week with our Bulgur salad, which is called Pourgouri salata in Karpathos. And basically with a lot of very fresh ingredients.
Yes.
And that's what they do in Karpathos. They use a lot of very fresh ingredients. And the base of our Pourgouri salata is our bulgur. And so the bulgur, we actually soaked in hot water. So you add like enough hot water to go above the bulgur so that it all soaks into the bulgur, and then you get this really nice texture of the bulgur. And then you have to strain it.
It sits for at least an hour.
Yeah.
And then you put it into a sieve and you press out all the water.
So you can see that's what we did
Yeah.
here. And then
And
you
it's-
just fluff it up, and
It's ready to use.
right. So
Jackie's going to get us started and do a
So
little
first,
dressing.
we're going to start off with some olive oil and some lemon juice.
okay.
And then you're going to whisk that together.
And then we want to add this.
Yes. And then the bulgur is going in.
Okay. Okay.
Next, we're going to add some cucumbers that we chopped up. And some tomatoes halved. Next, you want to add some parsley.
Parsley is a main ingredient when making this. It gives it its flavor.
Yeah.
It's similar to a tabbouleh, so you'll get that parsley flavor.
Next, we're going to add some crumpled feta.
And we're going to save a little bit of that crumpled feta for the top.
And we use a nice Greek feta, arachova,
Yeah.
which is really great flavor.
Next, we're going to add some sliced Kalamata olives. Then we have finely chopped shallot. And here we have some mint.
Fresh mint, always, fresh for this particular dish because it adds
Also
beautiful
classic with
aroma.
that flavor that goes really well with the parsley.
Yeah.
And now I'm adding some scallions.
And you don't need a lot. Of course, the recipe's on our blog.
Yep.
And then we're going to add some nuts.
Pignoli nuts.
And we
That are
toasted
toasted.
these. So you just take them and put them in a pan. You don't have to add any oils
It's a
or
dry
anything. And you just toast it up.
Takes
Keep
a
an eye
couple of
on it,
minutes,
because it
right?
can burn quickly, so you have
Yeah.
to keep a real good eye on it.
And then you just want to add some salt to taste. And a little bit of black pepper.
Toss that
And
together.
then
Combine
mix
mix everything until everything is combined well.
Remember, you have that olive oil and lemon juice on the bottom, so you want to make sure to get some of that up.
Yeah, you want it to infuse into every ingredient that's in this bowl. Oh, that looks beautiful.
It looks kind of like a tabbouleh.
It does.
Yeah.
But it's got all those wonderful colors from the
Yeah.
vegetables,
Okay. And then
So what you want to do with this, you want to let it sit for 30 minutes to let all the flavors come together and develop. And then once that's ready, and the other thing you can do with this, you can cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight and then bring it out the next day, bring it to room temperature, and it's ready to serve. So that's a little do-ahead tip. And then when you're ready to serve, top it with your remaining feta. Feta there, and you'll want to take some fresh mint and put a nice garnish on your salad. And this is ready to serve.
There it is.
And there
Beautiful.
it is.
Kalyoriksi.
Kalyoriksi.